Satnam, welcome to Kundalini Yoga and Meditation channel with me, Sajdaram. Today I want to invite you to practice a meditation that I find very potent. It's called For Power and Control of Our Own Caliber. And caliber could be defined as the strength of our spirit, the strength of our presence. How do we handle the pressures and challenges? How do we stay connected to our wisdom, the wisdom of the soul and the spirit, rather than being reactive and emotional? So in this time and age, I think it's very important to cultivate a strong caliber so that we could have the presence to inspire others, those around us, and also help uplift those that come in contact with us. So that is the meditation I'd like to practice with you today. And we tune in before we begin any practice. If you are not familiar with Adi Mantra, there is a separate video that you could watch. I'll include the link below. So for this meditation, you will be sitting in easy seated or in a chair with feet flat on the ground if that's comfortable for you. And I will explain the mudra. You have 5 fingers that are often represent either the element, the 5 elements, or also planetary bodies. And we're going to bring the thumb to the pad of the Mercury finger, so the pinky. The pinky finger represents energetic qualities of planet Mercury, which is about communication and expression. How do you show up in the world? How do you express yourself? And the thumb represents fire, earth, and supposedly also ego. So we're going to light a little bit of fire and activate our communication and expression, making the fist, so thumb to the pinky mound, and then wrap the other fingers around. You have the fist with the thumbs in. And then you're going to bring the second row of knuckles together, so forming a mudra like that. Your base of the palms are not going to be touching. You're going to hold this mudra about 4 to 6 inches away from the body at the level of the heart center. Your eyes will be lowered down, gazing at the tip of the nose. So here, and just lowering the eyelids down and without straining, gazing at the tip of the nose. We begin the breath with inhaling through the nose for 4 counts, which equate to 4 seconds, and then exhale through the mouth also for 4 seconds or 4 counts. And then we'll inhale through the mouth for 4 seconds and exhale through the nose. So let's try it out. Inhaling through the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling through the mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale through the mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. To help with the count, you may employ the mantra Satanama. It's a 4-syllable Panch Shabad mantra that could help with the count. So we'll continue in this manner, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth, inhaling through the mouth, exhaling through the nose. So that's the meditation tutorial for the power and control of our own caliber. This meditation could be practiced for up to 11 minutes. And the benefits of it could only be gained through the practice, sustained practice. In Kundalini lineage, we generally emphasize to commit to a practice for 40 days because that helps us build a habit. And in that 40 days, you definitely will overcome lots of ups and downs and fluctuations, and how do you show up for yourself will help you develop that caliber. So the meditation is super easy, and this is the tutorial. So just to recap, you're sitting in easy pose or on the chair. The gaze is at the tip of the nose, lowering the eyelids down. The mudra is thumb pressing to the pinky, wrapping the fists around, and aligning the second row of knuckles together. Holding the mudra at the level of the heart center, about 4 to 6 inches away from the body. Yeah, and the breath is circular breath, inhaling 4 counts through the nose, exhaling 4 counts through the mouth, and then inhaling through the mouth 4 counts and exhaling through the nose. To help with the count, you could use mentally to chant mantra sa, ta, na, ma to help. And when we complete, to finish this meditation, we take a deep breath in and we hold the breath for 15 to 20 seconds as we stretch the spine and we stretch the arms outwards. We could spread the fingers wide and exhale. We'll inhale again, stretching the arms, spreading the fingers wide, and exhaling. And then last time, inhaling up, suspending the breath, and resting the arms back down. So here's the tutorial for this beautiful and powerful meditation. I hope you will join me in the next video for full practice. Sat Nam.